So I'm joined here today on Latest News with Stuart Matthews, who is the organiser and the founder of Proud Seagulls, which is the LGBT plus kind of fan group for Brighton Hove Albion.
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah, welcome to Latest News.
Oh, lovely, thank you.
Do you want to just start off by telling us a bit about your organisation and why you felt they need to set it up?
Yeah, I'd had the idea many moons ago, certainly when we were in the Championship and when we were elevated to the Premier League. There are a noticeable amount of Premier League clubs that have an LGBT fan group.
Yeah.
The other thing as well is on the back of the Championship was the fact that we'd, as away fans and sometimes as home fans, we'd received a lot of unwanted homophobic abuse and racism and the whole genre.
You've had support from the club,
Absolutely,
I think.
yes.
And they're very strong on this, particularly at the top of the leadership. So, Paul Barber, I mean, I can see that.
Absolutely. Yeah. I think it's, if you look at our, there was a game, I can't remember which one it was now, a couple of months ago or a month ago, where two Brighton fans have now been banned. And the club is very, very clear on its policy. If you're racist, homophobic, you do something to bring the name of the club into disrepute, you will be banned.
Yeah.
There is no...
It says it in the programme.
Yes, absolutely.
It's in black and white.
Yeah.
So you've set up this organisation to tackle that. How can people get more involved? What's your website and your Facebook?
Well, the website will be, hopefully, www.proudseagulls.com, but I wanted to keep it quite simple. We're on Twitter and on Instagram as @Proud Seagulls. Yeah. And also, I've got two Facebook pages. Both you have to request to join, but if you search for Proud Seagulls, you should be able to find us.
Perfect.
And I normally put a load of things on Facebook. And just to bring it back in and tying in with the Leicester game on Tuesday, February is LGBT History Month.
Yeah.
And I found it quite disappointing at the end, almost at the end of that month, we've had homophobic comments or gestures.
Okay. Just to finish up on the game on Saturday, what's your prediction?
Oh, God.
I'm hoping for a 2-0 victory against Hull.
Oh, and the rest. I'd like... Our home form is better than our away. Yeah. My worry is now that we're slipping. We're going down a slippery slope, and I fear for Chris. Chris has been an absolute saviour for the club. When he took over from Hippier, we were in the darkest hours, and he brought us back, and he's brought us into the Premier League.
So have you got a quick prediction?
Yeah, I'd like to say 2-0.
Okay.
To us. I'd like to see it as a home win.
Okay, great. Stuart, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, thanks.